What if I told you that becoming wealthy isn't about luck, being born rich, or having a high-paying job? The truth is, wealth is built on a formula. A formula so powerful that ordinary people across the world use it to create extraordinary riches. In this video, I'll reveal that wealth formula step by step, so you can apply it to your own life starting today. White right pointing backhand index. Stay with me till the end, because secret number 5 is what truly separates the rich from everyone else. Section 1. The foundation of wealth microphone hash. The first step in the wealth formula is simple, but often ignored. Spend less than you earn. Wealthy people aren't rich because they make millions. They are rich because they manage millions. The formula always starts with creating a gap between your income and expenses. Electric light bulb example. If you earn $2,000 a month and spend $1,800, your wealth building seed is just $200. But if you can reduce your lifestyle a little and save $500, you've just accelerated your wealth journey by 150%. Section 2. Multiplying income streams microphone hash. Step 2. Build multiple streams of income. Ordinary people rely on one paycheck. The wealthy, they create 2, 3, or even 10 streams. This could be side hustles, investments, or digital income. Electric light bulb example. A teacher who also sells ebooks online or invests in dividend stocks is already applying the wealth formula. Conclusion microphone hash. So here's the formula in simple terms. Spend less than you earn, build multiple income streams, invest the difference, adopt the wealth mindset, and protect and scale your money. Ordinary people around the world have used these steps to create extraordinary riches, and so can you. White right pointing backhand index. If you found this helpful, hit the like button, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe to Smart Finance with Yemi Oseni for more powerful financial wisdom. Your journey to wealth starts today.